MLA Joyram Ingling inspired ongoing PMJSY road construction at Thaydong. Bokajjan MLA Dr. Momin provides ex gratia to fire accidents victims' parents. Villagers of Nihang Diphu carries out voluntary road repairs work. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. Hauraghat MLA Joyram Ingling had on Friday visited the site of the ongoing work of PMJSY road being constructed between Lokso Arong and Theribasa, covering 16 kilometers. He visited the site to know from the contractors the reason for delay in completion of the work. With an estimate fund of Rs 11 crores, the construction of this road began from 2019. The foundation stone of the work was laid by KAAC CM Tuliram Ronghang in the presence of the MLA himself and MP Horin Singh Bey. It is said that due to the remoteness and interior location of the site, no contractor submitted tender for the work. Hence, the MLA had to convince a Hojai-based contractor to do the work. Within 1 year, the construction of the road between Lokso Arong and Thaydong area has been completed. The people of Donghap area were also very happy to see a new road connecting their village. However, within months on its completion, the portion of road at Donghap has suffered damage by the heavy vehicles engaged in stone quarry. During the visit of our Karbi Anglong Live correspondent, the local MLA Joyram Ingling had discussions with the contractor about the damaged portion of the road. He urged them for early completion of the road and also said to strictly follow the guidelines of PMJSY. According to the MLA, this new road would serve a big purpose for the people of Sojeng Thenta as it would reduce the time to travel to towns like Denarong, Dongmukak, Diphu, etc.
Là si alang li pini la on the spot alang li team pen alang li amena mata sewa la si alang li pen le tum ka binong lai tang ka tini ji phan nang binong oh la so scheme ka apang ni CM council long do bo ma ho plus ota ni pilo data scheme bang yap udam lote political background and la so war ko nong la so tangkana ni so control ne sama jangan tua ke sokira maka non ni rara tu kerap itu kan I don't dare la so tua thot emle ni wathulo PMJSY long pilu ponlo.
The contractor also shared the hurdles they have faced in the construction work and also showed that they will remake the damaged portions of road in the Donghap 0 point areas once the black pitching for the entire length of road is completed.
আপনালে কাম কৰিব পাৰে যেটা আৰু বছৰ মান লাগিব নে
যদি কন্টিনিউ আমি এটো ডেনাইট যদি কাম কৰিব পাৰো হাইয়েস্ট আপোনাৰ 10 ডেজ
হয় নেকি ওয়েদার ভাল দিয়ে
যদি ওয়েদার আমাক ভাল দিয়ে
হয়
অনলি ফর 10 ডেজৰ ভিতৰত আমাৰ এটো কমপ্লিট হৈ যাব কাৰণ আমাৰ গোটেইটো মোটামুটি মেটেলিং আমাৰ শেষে হৈছে
হয়
খালি আপুনি এটো চাই আছে এতিয়া এই জায়গাটোত আপোনাৰ ধৰক অকমান জায়গা উঠিবলৈ অসুবিধা হৈ আছে তথাপি এটো একচুয়ালি আমাৰ এটা কাটিবলৈ নালাগে
হয়
কিন্তু আমি ৰাইজৰ সুবিধাৰ কাৰণে আমি এটো কাটি দিলো এইটো মোৰ কাটি দিলে এই জায়গাটো কমপ্লিট কৰি দিলে পুরো মোটামুটি কাম শেষ হৈ যাব
Bikram Teron from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live. Nine days after the fire accident, Bokajjan MLA Dr. Numol Momin met the victims at Lahorijan, Dudukan Basti, under the Khatkhati police station, where more than 200 houses were destroyed by the inferno, during which one minor girl was killed. Bokajjan LA constituency MLA Dr. Numol Momin handed Rs 4 lakh check to the parents of 4-year-old girl Sajia Khatun, who lost her life during the terrifying fire incident. The MLA was accompanied by Bokajjan SDO Civil Dilip Terang, Barim Borjan VDC Chairman Philip Teron among others. Meanwhile, essential food items including rice, dal, edible oil and tarpaulin have been provided to the families whose houses have been destroyed by the fire. It may be mentioned that on July 7, more than 200 houses were gutted when a cooking gas cylinder exploded in Dudukan Basti under Lahorijan police station. Local authority acted promptly and provided basic needs like rice, vegetables, pulses, oil, tarpaulin, etc. Anandarang from Bokajang, Karbi Anglong Live. Residents of Nihang Dipu village jointly came forward with their spade and hose to repair the dilapidated Dipu-Dardali PWD road connecting their village by filling potholes and clearing buses. Taking the advantage of weekend lockdown led by village headman Sonsing Terang and Reverend Samson Teron, the villagers carried out other minor maintenance work across a 5-kilometer stretch of the road. Reverend Samson Teron said that as government has provided them with road, it was the community's responsibility to share responsibility in maintaining the road and carry out some minor repairs as much as from their capacity.
Tony Lindon dak Nihang Dipuarong buyar pen kilometer kithom ana kahilo nilitum damatipung alen basi nilitum kaduk kawe rong pen nilitum tingki tingwai si rong kaduk kawe tuar pen kedang lok la kaduk kawe sitame kacipang hir la pen par sitame legbuk legbor kaduk kawe sitame mithang cibunai nangi pusi nilitum labang so rong pen nilitum cemat hasi nilitum rong si surpak pen nilitum labang so matipung Nihang Dipu ko rong along nilitum claim lo
dak Nihang Dipu GB Sonsing Terang arong manele tum social work padolo je rong cepang thir je phan rong rit mane keter hai satame atema Narendra Modi pen tame do so cepang thir nang ji pu basenele tum kecheng pen satame labang so arong arup satame an pen kapang thir ri phan se geletum je sikolon.
The village, which was established on 17th April 2014, has set an example for the rest of the villages and future generation. They also volunteered themselves after taking a resolution among Nihang Dipu villagers, they said. Bikram Crow from Dipu, Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another road accident along the NH39, an oil tanker truck met with a terrible accident as it went off-road. The incident occurred in the wee hours of Saturday morning. The incident took place along the NH39 between Hanjang Langso and Pak Langso under Bokajang police station when the vehicle with the registration plate MN019779 was moving towards Dimapur from Numaligarh. When receiving news, local police immediately rushed to the spot and began the recovery task. However, the driver escaped from the spot and the police were not able to verify the cause of the mishap but speculated that it could have happened due to the driver's drowsiness. Meanwhile, taking the opportunity of the petrol dripping out from the tanker, many passers-by took the opportunity to stock the oil. Later, the police called recovery van and carriers to transport the damaged vehicle to the police station. Anantarang from Bokajang, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Stay safe and thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.